Hey y'all, so today I wanted to share with y'all something that I have to do. I got to clean up this coat hanger thingamajigger for my brother, and I noticed that it was a little bit rusty on it. Let me go ahead and show you what's going on. Okay, now here's the coat hanger, coat rack thing. And it has been outside for a while. It is a little rusty, and just to show y'all real quick, just like, oops, come on, dude. Just some little rust right there. Over here, it's a little bit bad, a little bit worser. So, and then of course at the bottom, some really crazy rust right there. So I am going to go ahead and clean that up for my brother. And what I'm going to use is Brasso. Hey dude, come on. Get it. What get? There you go. Brasso. And it says that it cleans brass, copper, stainless, chrome, aluminum, pewter, and bronze. So this is, I believe, chrome. So we're going to go ahead and try this out. Let's see what it says. Okay, directions. What the fuck? Hold on, let me figure this out. Okay, directions. Shake well. Soak a clean cloth or sponge with Brasso. Apply to metal. Repolish with soft dry cloth. For heavy tarnish, rub gently to loosen bodily discolored areas. Not for use on silver, lacquered paint, or antique finish surface. Okay, so all right, let's shake this bad boy up really good. Okay, I guess that's good enough. Wait, okay, 20 seconds. There we go. That's good enough. Okay. Okay, so it didn't say anything about protectant, but if something is going to eat chrome or something, or eat rust, there you go. Eat rust. Yeah, I would want to put some protectant on. So, safety first. All right. Okay, so we're gonna start out in the bottom. I'm just gonna do a little piece right here, or maybe I'll just do like half of it. I don't know, we'll see. But I got this, just a little shop towel. So, and we're gonna go ahead and put it in. I know it says soak, but it's coming out like a cream. So I don't know how to soak, but let me see if I could zoom in. Let's try this out. I hope it stays zoomed. Okay. I don't know if am I supposed to leave it there for a little bit or something? I don't know. I didn't really, well, I mean, it didn't really say if I'm supposed to leave it there. Oh, look at that piece. Okay, well, I got it on there. Well, that's how it's looking like so far. And let me see. It's looking a little bit better. Do it again. Let's see. Okay, let me see. So far, this is looking pretty good. And there's like a couple of spots, like right there. But you know what? It sure as hell cleaned it from what it was before. So, I guess if anything... Oh, I haven't done this side yet. I guess if anything, you would probably have to work on it a little bit. See, like, here I cleaned it. So here's a big comparison of it. Bam. That is a huge comparison. See, so yeah, I mean, I could say that it does clean. You know, I still got some more pieces left. I still got that side to do. See, all of those. I still got to do that side. I have not touched this side yet. This side, the other side, I have touched. I have been cleaning it. You know, it's getting there. Got a couple of spots, but that's okay. We're still working on it. So yeah, this Brasso is working on it. You got to put a little bit of elbow grease. It ain't gonna come off like fucking one wipe and then that's it. No, bitch, you gotta get all up in there. So yeah, see, so here's some more the little dots and everything that I'm still working on. That part, this part down here is literally the hardest. Here's the part that I was working on camera. So I mean, it's cleaning. Brasso is cleaning the rust off of this chrome. So yeah, there's a couple of spots here and there, but like I said, you're gonna have to put some elbow grease on it. See, like you can start seeing some chrome little by little. And then right here, where the joint's at, that's where I really got in there. But yep, and then of course, you know, we're back up. Hey, sir! Hi, he just learned how to turn on and off the lamp. So anyways, let me get out of here. Oh, and real quick, let me show you how the towels look like. So, yeah, this is all the yellow and brown and stuff. That's from the rust, all of it cleaning. So, so there's one towel. And then here's my, or no, that one was my drying towel. This is the towel that I was using to clean it some more. And then here's my new drying towel. So it didn't really have that much. Okay. So it gets less and less, obviously, when you clean it more and more. So, anyways, I hope y'all like. Don't forget to like, subscribe, all that other good stuff, what all the other YouTubers says. And I will see y'all in the next. Peace.